A lot of people worry that AI is replacing human creativity, but I think it's the complete opposite. It is amplifying it. Image generation tools are revolutionizing how quickly we can visualize concepts. I recently worked with a team that used AI to explore 50 different product form factors in a single afternoon, a process that would have taken weeks with traditional sketching and modeling. I think the key is we have to maintain our human creative spark as we're using AI to expand the possibility space, the art of the possible. The best engineers don't ask AI to go design a product. They think of the right thoughtful constraints, and then they use AI to explore variations that they maybe couldn't have considered or didn't have time to. Generative design represents a fundamental shift in our approach. Instead of traditional cycles of design, analyze, improve, we now define constraints and goals, then let AI explore thousands of possible solutions, all simultaneously. These types of systems use machine learning to optimize against multiple variables that would be impossible for humans to balance manually. Requirements engineering is being transformed by large language models. They can extract structured requirements from unstructured data, like customer interviews, competitor products, and market reports. Advanced systems analyze thousands of pages of documentation and look for patterns, contradictions, and gaps that human analysts might miss. And finally, the human element is unreplaceable. As we continue to optimize within constraints, AI can support us in solving the right problems and remaining empathetic for our users, using creative insights and ethical judgments that make us as engineers far more valuable than any algorithm. For your career growth, positioning yourself as an AI-powered engineer rather than competing directly with AI is the most sustainable path forward. The engineers who thrive will be those who become experts at directing AI tools, defining problems clearly, and integrating diverse perspectives into the development process. Cross-functional collaboration is everything for innovation, and AI can help. So, how do you get started? Audit your workflows and identify high-value AI integration opportunities. Evaluate knowledge management solutions like Narratize that can transform your documentation process. Start small with a pilot project, demonstrate value, and prepare for scale. The future belongs to engineers who view AI not as a threat, but as the most powerful tool humanity has created yet. By creating these technologies thoughtfully, you truly can become a 10x product development engineer, delivering more value, creating better products, and finding more meaning in your work than ever before.